Bloodstains the streets, battle cries in the air. City born of war, a testament to despair. Echoes of cannons, gunfire lights the night. In this raging inferno, we fight with all our might. Bodies sprawled across the pavement, a haunting sight. Survivors march on wounded but with hearts alight. Metal crashes, explosions shake the very ground. In this city born of war, chaos is the only sound. Spirits never break. Our resilience fuels us, we won't let them take. Every step forward, we reclaim what was lost. In this city born of war, our spirits never exhaust. Every step forward, we reclaim what was lost. In this city born of war, our spirits never exhaust. Bloodstained streets, battle cries in the air.